This is the 2021 ISUZU dmax. The new model has finally reached European and Irish roads, and we're driving the new dmax at Carland, Dublin on the old airport road. So let's get straight into the video. The dmax has plenty of decent rivals. There are quite a few contenders in the pickup segment, with the likes of the Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux and Nissan Navara, all pretty decent sellers. The dmax is ISUZU's answer to those rivals. The dmax we've got here is the double cab version in high spec LSE model, and this one is priced at just under €44,000. As with all pickups, you can get some extra accessories like a canopy for the rear should you want to secure items and, of course, make it stand out from the crowd. In the rear bed, all versions can carry a payload of at least a ton, and apart from the entry-level single cab version, all dmaxes have a brake towing capacity of 3.5 tons. These figures compete well with most of the rival pickups on the Irish and European market. The colour of this one is Valencia Orange Metallic, and it's definitely a head turner. Climbing up into the back seats of the dmax, and this LSE spec gets black leather seats. There is an armrest in the centre with double cup holders. The rear seats are quite a decent size, and it's not bad at all back here for both knee and headroom, with room to put your feet under the front seat if necessary. Even for me at 6'4", I can sit behind my driving position. You are sitting quite upright back here, but for a double cab pickup, space is very good. You can also drop these rear seats if you need to store large items. There is a USB port and some air vents, along with handy pockets in the seat backs and a hook that you can hang items from. This pickup then can double up as a family vehicle if needed. Kids and even most adults will be able to sit back here for most journeys. Let's take it out for a drive and talk a little bit more about the ISUZU dmax. Interior quality is very good, it has to be said. There are soft touch plastics on the upper part of the dash and where you rest your elbow on the door. The rest of the materials in the cabin feel hard wearing, and in a vehicle like this, that's what you want. The touchscreen unit has the usual affair of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's an easy enough system to use. The new dmax carries on from where its predecessor left off and is quite capable off-road. The toggle switch for the four-wheel drive modes are located on the bottom of the dash. This LSE trim also has the locking rear differential as well. On the road, considering this is primarily a work vehicle / pickup truck, the ride is pretty decent. The suspension is naturally set up to be firm. Obviously we drove it with no cargo in the rear, but if you were to carry or tow something, the ride will improve. But even without carrying a load, ISUZU have tweaked this new version's suspension and chassis, and this means it's more comfortable out on the road than the outgoing version. The seats are wide and supportive, and the high driving position makes it easy to get in and out of the dmax, as does the side step. This LSE spec interior should be easier to keep clean as well, with it being leather rather than cloth. The dmax gets a 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel, producing 164 brake horsepower and 360 Newton meters of torque. At the moment, there are no other engine options for the dmax on the Irish market. Some markets do get a larger and torquier 3-litre diesel, but as of now, that's not available here. It's a smooth enough unit. There's no denying that it's loud by car standards. Most, if not all, pickups make some noise under acceleration. For a pickup, the overall driving experience is more than adequate. It responds like a typical diesel, it's torquey, and this 6-speed manual is easy to use by pickup standards. You can get it in an automatic as well, and it uses the same auto transmission as the Toyota Hilux. The steering in this new dmax is now electrically assisted, and it's surprisingly light when manoeuvring and parking. All-round visibility is made easier by the big door mirrors, which get the added bonus of blind spot assist on this LSE spec. There's also parking sensors and a reversing camera. Other safety features while out on the road include lane keeping assist, speed sign recognition and cruise control. The dmax is also the first pickup to get 5 stars in the Euro NCAP crash test, which is an impressive achievement. It may be a capable off-roader, but I think ISUZU have done enough to make it possible to live with and drive the dmax on a daily basis. There is a nice helping of modern technology, the exterior looks refreshed, and space in the rear isn't too bad. The dmax has a good track record for reliability, but just in case, It's backed up by ISUZU's 5-year warranty. Many will argue that the king of this segment is still the Ford Ranger, but the dmax is a decent all-rounder and is definitely worth a look, offering impressive tech for the segment in an attractive yet tough package. Would you buy the dmax over a Hilux or a Ranger? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our first drive video of the new ISUZU dmax. Let us know in the comments what make or model you want to see next. And until the next video, thanks for watching Deck of Cars.